So I am going to begin by prepping my skin using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Foundation Primer. And I did moisturize my face earlier with the H2O Oasis moisturizer and some oil elixir from Physicians Formula. I've been thinking I'm going to get my nails done again because I have not gotten my nails done since last year, November. And the reason is because my nails were very like like thin and brittle, and I could just like feel everything. Like if I touched something, they were very sensitive. My nails were very sensitive, or actually my fingertips just were getting very sensitive. So I thought, okay, I need a break from false nails, but I'm going to get them done again. I don't think I'm going to get like any Valentine's Day nails because that's what I wanted to do, but maybe some spring colors. So now I'm just applying a little bit of the Benefit Professional Balm onto the areas of my cheek where I feel like my pores are larger than the rest of my face. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender. I just wet my beauty blender with my Smashbox primer water. Okay, so now I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and I'm going to apply it to this area of the eye right here, which is where I like a more creamier concealer. Other area. And that was in the shade Vanilla. So now I'm taking the shade Light Neutral in the Tarte Shape Tape, and I just dot it wherever else, going upwards, wherever else I didn't apply the other concealer. And then I just blend it in with my beauty blender. And I'm sorry, but my dog is having a barking competition with the next door neighbor's dog. So now I'm going to set my under eye area and the rest of my face with the Born This Way translucent setting powder. No. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows with the IT Cosmetics Brow Power and the Precisely My Brow by Benefit. So now I'm taking a blending brush, and this is the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm taking that pink mauve shade. I'm just going to put it into my crease. I'm taking the color Lure, and I'm just going to apply this a little bit lower in my crease. So now from the Modern Renaissance, I'm taking the color Love Letter. And I'm going to apply it to the inner and outer corners of the eye. Going back with my blending brush and then just slowly blend it to connect on the crease area. And I'm using like really light pressure. So now I'm taking Bitten by Makeup Geek. Going to use that to like further deepen up the colors. I'm going to apply this color called Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then to the top of that, just to make it a little bit more sparkly, I'm applying a little bit of this. Artist Couture. What are these? Diamond Glow powders in Supernova. So this one is Supernova, which is like a pinky purple iridescent. Now I'm taking a tiny bit of Love Letter and I'm going to use that to like just blend these lines on the edges. Now I'm taking this NYX eyeliner in Oxblood. And I'm also going to apply it to the waterline. And now for my lashes, I'm applying these Cocoa lashes in Queen Bee. Alright, so here is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!